Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find serial number on Optoma projector. To do this, we'll need to click on menu button on our remote. It should be located right here. Now scroll down for this icon on the bottom, and here's info. There's a serial number as the second position. And then now you'll be able to preview it. There's also option to find the serial number on your device itself, and you can check it out on the back of your projector on the little sticker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.